The first night wasn't much. We drove as much as we could until sundown the first day, parked at a truck stop, and got ready for dinner. It wasn't glamorous, but I was finally doing what I set out to do, hitting the road and heading toward Arizona. As we hit the road on day 2, it brought back familiar memories from when we left in the van back in 2022. I was anxious to make it further, to keep going this time. By the afternoon of day 2, the weather started to turn, rain was coming in and out, and as we got closer to New Mexico, snow was on the way. The journey wasn't perfect, but I was moving forward. That's what mattered. Follow along as I figure it out day by day, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for longer videos every Thursday morning.